This episode of Techno Buffalo is brought to you by Full Sail University. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Rettinger's Rants. It's the show where I'll rant and rave on anything from the world of technology and sometimes a little bit outside of it. Up this week, we're gonna go away from phones and tablets and talk about cars and why I can't do in my car what my couple $100 phone and tablet can do. This is Rettinger's Rants. Let's go and get started. Alright, so I want you guys to do something for me. Think about your car, or your parents' car, or a friend's car, and what is in the center console of that car. What the car can do, and what the car can't do. And pick out your phone. Think about what your phone can do, what your phone can and can't do, and think about the price discrepancy between the two. Now, granted, your phone can't drive you to the mall, it can't drive you on a date, and it can't really impress all your lady friends, but your phone can do a lot of things. Your phone can check email, your phone's got a modern browser on it, your phone can do IM, your phone can yell at you to remind you gotta do stuff. Your car can't do any of that. Now, before everybody starts saying, hey, John, distracted drivers, you shouldn't be doing any of that when you're driving anyway, totally understand that. Certainly you shouldn't be doing that while you're driving, but there are a lot of ways you can get the same technology your phone can do to the driver so it's not distracting. You can do audio, so when someone sends you a message you can hear it through your phone, so you don't have to sort of fiddle in your pocket to see who texted you, which you shouldn't be doing anyway. Your passenger can enjoy your browser, your passenger can watch a movie, your passenger can have full access to what the center console can do. Some cars lock it down, some cars don't. Some cars now can sense who's sitting where and who's activating what to give you access to the center console. But your car should be able to do everything your phone can, and we have not seen that at all. We're seeing baby steps onto that. A few weeks ago at CES, we saw GM and Ford step up a little bit. We saw My Ford Touch get APIs, so finally there'll be app integration in there. We saw Chevy's MyLink finally get app integration. So we're gonna see these apps slowly start to develop. Your phone can, of course, download applications. You can listen to Pandora, you can listen to iHeartRadio, you can listen to Spotify, but you can't do that in your car, unfortunately. You can plug it in and you can fiddle with your phone and sort of have it work that way. You can do some A2DP stuff, but you don't get sort of the same experience you get in dash or via your steering wheel controls that you can do with your phone. But we're finally starting to see these baby steps take out. Actually, Tesla's founder, Elon Musk, was one that really started pioneering this when he famously said, why can't my car do what my phone can do? Tesla's one of those companies that's really pushing the industry forward. They've got that giant 17-inch touchscreen in their Model S and their upcoming Model X very soon. And what they did was they essentially tapped into Apple's supply chain to get the panels that they were using in their MacBook Pros, had bigger panels made, stuck them in there, and give you a high definition display, and you get the ability to access your car from your mobile phone and do all kinds of controls from there. And other car companies are doing the same. We're certainly seeing something similar with Cadillac's Q system. It's a modern touchscreen interface. It works well, it's intuitive, but it's slow and you're waiting for pages to load. If you ever used Jaguar's interface, it is abysmal and riddled with all kinds of slow moving things that take forever just to get to your freaking navigation. We saw something like QNX 2.0, which was pretty baller demonstrated in a Bentley Continental. So there's a lot of cool technology, a lot of cool merging of stuff. Now certainly they must walk a very fine line of making it not distracting to the driver, making sure that it adds to the driving experience. But it's not just entertainment things that the cars could be doing, it could also be giving you directions. BMW is doing an awesome job of integrating heads-up displays and some sort of infrared technology to see what's in front of you when there's a lot of fog and you get it on a cool screen. But it's hugely expensive and something that not everyone can afford. I'd expect a transition over the next 5-10-ish years to really see a full merging of all that stuff, and I'm excited to see what cars are going to do over the next decade. What features do you guys want your car to have that maybe your phone can have, or a feature you could dream up that might be in there? We saw at CES, Audi have cars that can park themselves, not the parallel parking stuff we see in the past. I mean, you literally pull up to a parking structure, hop out of your car, and your car goes and finds a spot and parks itself. When you're done, you summon your car and it comes back and picks you up. Car technology, like mobile technology, geeks me out, and I'm just thrilled and excited to be a part of the whole industry that's gonna see this evolution over the next few years. So thank you guys for watching another episode of Rettinger's Rants. Let me thank our friends and sponsors from Full Sail University. So as you guys know, the mobile app industry is on fire right now. Full Sail University's online mobile development bachelor's degree program can teach you the skills that you need to take advantage of those emerging opportunities. Maybe you want to make the app to go into a car, or it's going to integrate with your iPhone or Android. It's going to work with the car. In this degree, you'll learn both the programming and business sides of mobile development so that you can concept, develop, deploy, and market an application from start to finish. You're going to explore advanced programming languages, visual frameworks, usability principles, and app development for iOS and Android operating systems, all things that are way over my head. Through Full Sail's Project Launchbox program, students receive a MacBook Pro preloaded with industry software plus iOS and Android devices. Between the App Store, Google Play Store, over 50 billion apps have been downloaded with no signs of slowing down. If you're ready to master technology and software to compete in this rapidly growing industry, visit fullsail.edu/technobuffalo to learn more about this online degree program. Again, fullsail.edu/technobuffalo. So thank you guys for watching another episode of Rettinger's Rants. This one wasn't so ranty. I know the title says Rettinger's Rants, but this is more a segment where I can just talk about whatever is on my mind. And this has been on my mind with the Detroit Auto Show going on and all the cars that we saw at CES. So if you guys enjoyed, I'm John Rettinger. I'll see you next video.